Yeah.
Yeah, I don't care. Here's little twins. See, one of them hiss at you, so we're gonna call the one that's hissing baby.
Oh, they're so soft. Let's see their faces. Oh, pretty little faces. They just got their eyes open.
So tired. I'm gonna go put them back up, okay, Mama?
Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah, these kittens' paws are red too. Yeah, they're all red paws.
Watch the kitties.
Let's check their paws.
Pure, solid, black, pretty
Stop,
kitty.
stop getting. This one should be called Scaredy Cat.
Maple number 2. So what?
Oh wait, we can call the little twins over there, the Weeblos, cause you know how they're twins.
Yeah.
We should call them the Weeblos. I don't know how to say it, but.
I think you better bring them back before it gets any darker. We're already in a cave of trees. At least I'm not being claustrophobic. No, let's go.
Okay.
Already did.
No, you took a picture of the gray one.
Well, it's spooky standing in this, whatever it is. Watch your head, watch your eyes.
Yeah, Maple. Ow.
See?
Maple's still painting the trees.
Shit. What? Who did?
Maple's painting the trees to stop me and Minnie.
Oh.
The
Really?
trees have been attacking us.
Really?
Yes.
She didn't do this tree like this. Go.
She's been painting the trees to do this to us.
How the hell we get out of here?
Around, right? I never got a first one of piggy before. They do act like dogs sometimes. Oh, they're so cute. I was